The 2025 Mazda RX-7 marks the long-awaited return of one of Japan's most iconic sports cars. After years of rumors, concept teasers, and fan anticipation, Mazda has officially unveiled a production-ready RX-7 that promises to blend heritage with cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration captures the spirit of the original while incorporating modern design and performance elements that align with today's automotive landscape. Mazda has retained the RX-7's classic sports coupe profile, low, sleek, and unmistakably aggressive. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, featuring a long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance that pays homage to the FD generation RX-7. However, this is far from a retro remake. Sharp LED headlights, a revised Kodo design, language and carbon fiber accents lend the RX-7 a futuristic aesthetic. The front grille is more aggressive, with large air intakes to enhance cooling for the engine and brakes. Under the hood, the 2025 RX-7 reintroduces the rotary engine in a groundbreaking new form. Dubbed the 16X Renesis Dutsetu, this next-generation Wankel rotary engine uses advanced materials, direct injection, and a hybrid assist system to solve many of the problems that plagued previous rotaries, such as poor fuel economy, emissions, and reliability. Mazda's engineers have developed a twin-rotor configuration paired with a lightweight electric motor, which helps to provide instant torque at low RPMs, while the rotary delivers its signature high-revving power at the top end. The result is a car that produces approximately 370 horsepower, delivered to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual or an optional 8-speed automatic. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, which incorporates aluminum and carbon composites, the RX-7 tips the scales at just over 3,000 pounds. This weight, combined with a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity, contributes to sharp, responsive handling that enthusiasts will appreciate. It accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, while maintaining a top speed north of 170 mph. Inside, the cabin reflects Mazda's driver-first philosophy. A minimalist yet premium layout keeps controls within easy reach, with a focus on ergonomics and visibility. The instrument cluster features a digital display with customizable layouts, including a classic rotary tachometer graphic. Materials include Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and leather, giving the interior a sporty yet upscale vibe. Bucket seats provide ample support for spirited driving, while features such as a heads-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bose sound system ensure modern convenience isn't overlooked. Safety and tech are also well integrated. The RX-7 comes standard with Mazda's iActiveSense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A new active suspension system can adapt to road conditions in real time, enhancing both comfort and performance. Mazda has been clear that the RX-7 is not just about performance numbers. It's about delivering a pure, emotional driving experience. By blending the nostalgia of the rotary engine with modern hybrid tech and stunning design, the 2025 RX-7 stands as a symbol of Mazda's dedication to driving enthusiasts. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, early estimates place it around $45,000 to $55,000, making it a compelling option in the sports coupe segment. For those who long for the return of character in cars, the RX-7's revival might just be the spark they've been waiting for.